Today I'm doing a review on my Craftsman mechanics tool set. It's a 108 piece. If you're thinking about getting this for a gift for someone, birthday, Christmas, perfect gift. Perfect tool set. And it's nice. Start off, nice hard box. It's got 4 clamps on it, all facing the same way. Open it up, flip it over. Got deep well sockets. Nice sockets, all polished. Regular sockets here, ranging from 9 to 18, and from 1/4 to 3/16. That's in the 3/4 drive, and from 5/32 all the way to 9/16 and 4 to 13 in the 1/2 inch drive, or 1/4 inch drive. So it also comes with 14 hex keys, screwdriver bits, and a nut driver. That's what we got here.